installing these carbon fiber front splitters here, and I already got the car up on some ramps here just so I can get up under here and look at these little trim pieces. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take these carbon fiber pieces and just kind of fit them over, and once they're in place, we'll attach them. I'm going to use a little bit of 3M tape, but I'm also going to, I have some clip style screws that we're going to drill some holes here in the bottom of this piece, and I'll probably put one on this side and one on this side, and so we can have a nice screw to hold this in, because I feel like 3M tape's probably just, I mean, it'll probably hold, but I think with some pressure washing, the sun, like the heat here in Florida, I just don't think just 3M tape alone is good enough for doing this. The only thing that's kind of a bummer here is if you look, see there's like a little white lip around the inside that's exposed. I think I'm gonna need to get some black vinyl and fill that in so we don't have that white showing from behind. But yeah, other than that, let's get to it. Part of me's kind of wondering and also thinking I can get away with putting some screws up under here. Alrighty, so I think what I'm going to do is take a screw and go through this carbon fiber. Super scared to do this. But I made a little X under here, made a little mark for drilling. Alrighty. So hopefully you can see me. I just don't like the thought of having 3M tape on these and just thinking about them falling off while I'm driving. I just think that would suck, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just put some self-tapping screws in here. That drills very easily. What was it? Awesome. Perfect. So we should be able to just put these screws through. I'm thinking of doing a washer as well. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, I think these washers and these screws, I think that'll be a good fit through there like that. We'll do that on both sides, and then this will just screw right into the plastic of the underside of the bumper here. And yeah, there's going to be a hole there, but who's going to climb under the car and inspect it? I mean, I've got bigger scratches on my car just from rocks and bugs than that are more visible. So I think this is a pretty awesome solution here. And then I think I'll pair this with some 3M tape. yeah, actually, that's what I'll do right now. I think what I want to do is I want to 3M tape in here, and then put some screws in through the bottom. So a strip of 3M tape on there. There we go. I'll take this and go in there. I'm just gonna press it in as tight as you can get it. And then I'm going to take these screws with the washer and go up underneath here. And there you have it. Looks pretty good. So there's the screw up underneath. We got another screw on that side, but you're never going to be able to tell that's there. And that looks awesome. It looks so much better than the scratches that I had all over this piece. So yeah, let's repeat this on the other side now. Go. Now that side's on. Let's check this out. Boom. Boom. That looks so much better. So much cooler. Awesome. Alright guys, well, I think I'm going to transition videos. I'm thinking about doing the JB4 right now, so I don't know, it's getting a little late, but we'll see what it looks like, how hard it's going to be, but you're going to see a video really shortly with the JB4 stage 1, 2, 3 I think I'm going to hook up, so stay tuned on that, and thank you guys for watching.